We are now in our opening tip-off. First possession for Santiago. Number 4, Eugenio. Number 14, Lace Rin. Yes, sir. Number 27, Belano. Bang for 3. And Eugenio making his way in. Pass to Alcones. And rebound by number 8. We go next to the boys. Defended by Eugenio. Is stolen away by Alcones. Eugenio with the leader. Pass to number 8, Sabado. Back to Eugenio. 12 on the shot clock. Jumper is in at number 4, Eugenio. There's number 4, Eugenio. Pass to number 8. Eugenio goes to the middle. Scoop layup. High arc shot. Wala. Escritor underneath the basket. Rebound by Alcones. Fight for the ball. 6 on the shot clock. Baseline jumper is in number 25. Then on the shot clock, number 27, Belano, down to 5. Is stolen away by Eugenio. Transition offense. Here's number 14, Mayo lays it in. Yes, sir. Number 27. Floater is in number 3. The score 13-5. Santiago up by 8 points. Number 4, Eugenio. Pass to Mayo. Mayo with the other. Back to Eugenio. 10 on the shot clock. Sabado in the right wing. Swing pass to Eugenio. Down to 5. 100 shot. And gets a friendly bounce. There's number 4, Eugenio to Alcones, corner 3. Bang for 3! Oh. Now number 4, Eugenio with the ball. And that one is another number 4, Eugenio. Number 27, Belano with the ball fake. Easy 2 points, 1 right. Layup is in number 27, number 20, Escritor, jumper, and gets his friend bounce. And 2 pointers to the number 8, Sabado. Remaining here in our second period. Number 20, Berina to Belano. Bounce pass to Borgonio. Rebound by Escritor. Sabado with the leader. Bounce pass to Abarquez. Abarquez, Escritor, left-handed shot. Yes, sir. Then on the shot clock. Jumper is in number 20. Number 20, Berina. Paso de la Peña. Give and go play for Santa de la Peña. Can't finish that one. Asha with the ball. Bounce pass. Asha lets it fly. Bang for 3. That's RJ Asha. Number 16, Asha wide open, easy 2 points. 20, Berina. Berina accelerates, may kasama pang foul. Basket completed on number. Number 15, pass to Berina. And forcing that shot, he gets the two. Marquez with the ball to Alcunes, easy 2 points. Number 16, Asha. 10 on the shot clock. Asha for 3. Number 16, Asha. Here's number 4, Eugenio to Alcunes, wide open. Bringing a layup charge, timeout. Seconds on the game clock. Here's number 3, De La Peña, connects the 2 points. Game clock. Here's number 3, De La Peña. Baseline jumper for number 15, Bal. Here's number 10. Pass to Eugenio, 10 on the shot clock. Sabado pull-up jumper, knocks down the jumper. Official score 35-30. Santiago up by 5 points. And one more shot by number 21. Pointers look kanina yan, number 15 to Asha. One under shot and nothing but the bottom. Change favor. Change momentum on this morning. De La Peña accelerates, connects the 2 points. Charge. Number 7, De Peralta. De Peralta with the ball. Here's number 10, Adwan stolen away. And left wide open, easy 2 points to number 27. Escalona on the middle, rejected by number 21. Substitution. Here's number 9, Escalona, wala. Rebound by number 20, securing the ball. Pass to Peralta. 100 shot is in number 27. Baseline jumper is in number 40. 12 on the shot clock. Bounce pass number 7 to Peralta. Reverse shot. Yes, sir. Number 9 to Alcunes. Short jumper. Yes, sir. Knocks down. Number 27. Ben. 30 seconds on the game clock. Number 27 is stolen away by Eugenio. Number 9, Escalona. Yes, sir. Number 15, Baldos. Pass to Asha on the right wing. Asha defended by Eugenio. Now Baldos given no place to play up. Yes, sir. That's official score 43-53. Santa up by 10 points. Number 9, Escalona. Kick out pass to number 8. Bounce pass to Mayo. And short. And number 9 connects the to Belano. Number 3 is full play up. Yes, sir. That's number 3, De La Peña. 10 on the shot clock. Now to 5. Number 8, Sabado to number 10, Abuan. Hang time, yes sir. Number 10, Angelo. Corner 3 for Belano. Bang for 3! Number 10, Abuan. Jersey number 4, step back jumper. Bang for 3! Eugenio with the ball. Goes to the left, wala. A putback for number 20, Escrito. Down to 2. Number 27, Belano. Rejected by Escrito. 12 on the shot clock, Alcunis. Turnaround shot, rebound by number 15. Number 27 to number 16 floater, yes sir. Charge timeout. Number 16 Asha to number 27. Back to Asha. 10 on the shot clock. Inside pass and what a nice find by Asha to Berina. Pass to Belano and ball stolen. Number 8. Pass to Abuan. Eugenio to Sabado, launch a 3. Bang for 3! They just 14 on the shot clock. Number 20. And we have Rizzo. Ball out of bounds. Won by your team.